Man, it's been a really scary day. They let us out of work early at about 3:30, came home. It's been storming ever since. That's 565 you see there in the distance. It's moving like a wall of darkness across there. Back in this direction, there's another one. Big storm coming down. It's coming up 565. That's right. Woo! That's right at the airport right there. Woo, this is scary. I just found out. Whoa. Shit right here. Wow. Yeah, I thought this one that was going to be the worst of it. This one coming up right here. Coming in from the airport. This one's going to be worse. Yeah, I turned the camera off for a minute when we got Shane and was about to go downstairs to the apartment underneath me, but whatever it is, it's passed me by and it's headed out toward Hazel Green, Murderable area. That was scary. Something big just passed me by out here. Hope everybody's okay out that way. I think I'm gonna go outside and try to get a better view as it passes north. Looking kind of black over there again, but they're saying that we might get some more thunderstorms, but wow, that's looking pretty scary. I better go listen to the radio some more. Starting to lighten back over there again. Black, look how black it is right there in the center of it. Man, what a day. That was some powerful, scary storms. Some people's lives have been destroyed today. This has got to be one of the eeriest sunsets I've ever seen. All that damage that's been done today. It's still rumbling back over that way. Man, this is a horrible, horrible day. About 7:30 now. It's starting to rain a little bit. This big storm's moving closer. But it still seems to be off in the distance. Yeah. It's a ways off still, but my God, how ugly and how beautiful. I'm sure nothing's going to come out of this video. It's too late, too dark out there, but anyway. Raining again, thundering, lightning, crazy weather. God is shaking his fist today.